Learn AI. That is the most repeated career advice of the past 3 years. And the most useless. Because it answers nothing. Learn which part of AI? For which kind of role? At what depth? To do what, exactly? The truth is that AI covers an enormous spectrum. From writing better prompts in ChatGPT to building neural network architectures from scratch. The salary gap between different points on that spectrum is dramatic. And most of the content telling people to learn AI is not specific enough to be actionable. This video is the specific version. 5 skills that hiring managers are actively looking for in 2026. That pay meaningfully more than adjacent roles. And that a motivated person can develop without a computer science degree or years of runway. Skill 1. Prompt engineering and AI system design. 3 years ago, prompt engineering was dismissed as a temporary novelty that would disappear once AI got smarter. That prediction was completely wrong. It has evolved from writing clever single prompts into designing the full system of instructions, context, examples, and constraints that shape how AI behaves reliably across thousands of business interactions. Enterprise companies need people who can design these systems to work consistently, avoid failure modes, and produce outputs that actually match business requirements. This skill does not require coding. It requires systematic thinking and genuine understanding of how language models respond to different input structures. Professionals with writing, editing, or systems thinking backgrounds often develop it faster than developers who have never thought carefully about language. Salary range right now, $85,000 to $140,000 in North America. The ceiling rises significantly when combined with real domain expertise. Skill 2. AI-augmented data analysis. AI tools have lowered the technical barrier to data analysis dramatically. Analysts using Claude, ChatGPT, or dedicated tools like Julius AI can now generate, query, and visualize insights through natural language, compressing work that used to take days. But here is what the skill actually is. Not just using those tools. It is combining them with the judgment to know what questions to ask, what patterns are meaningful versus coincidental, and how to communicate findings to non-technical stakeholders. That combination is what companies are hiring for. Median compensation for data analysts who demonstrate strong AI tool proficiency is running 15 to 20% higher than for peers who do not. Skill 3. AI workflow automation. Every business has repetitive processes someone is currently doing manually. Building AI automations that handle those processes has become one of the most in-demand skills across industries. And crucially, it is accessible without coding. Tools like Zapier, Make, and N8N let you connect AI models to the software businesses already use. Email, CRM, spreadsheets, Slack. Creating automations that handle lead qualification, report generation, customer communication. Freelance automation specialists are currently charging $75 to $150 per hour. Demand is consistently outpacing supply. Skill 4. AI content production and strategy. Not just using AI to generate content. That is already too common to command premium pay. What is command premium pay is the ability to build and run a content production system at scale. One that produces consistently high quality, accurate, on-brand output. Marketing teams at mid-size and large companies are actively hiring people who can build these systems. Salaries are running $70,000 to $120,000, with strong freelance demand. Skill 5. AI model fine-tuning and evaluation. The most technical skill on this list. Also the one with the highest ceiling and the most severe shortage of qualified practitioners. Fine-tuning involves taking a pre-trained model and adapting it to a specific domain. Making a general-purpose model behave like an expert in legal documents, medical records, or customer service for a specific industry. For developers willing to develop this skill, the compensation is significant. AI engineers with fine-tuning and evaluation experience are currently commanding $150,000 to $250,000. Demand significantly exceeds supply. Here is where to actually learn each one. Prompt engineering, deep learning, AI short courses and Anthropic's documentation. AI data analysis, start with Julius AI or ChatGPT data analysis as practice tools. Workflow automation, Zapier and Make both have free tiers. Build real automations for your own work first. Content strategy, start a real content project. That is the fastest teacher. Fine-tuning and evaluation, Hugging Faces free courses. This requires coding. And here is the honest caveat before I close. The skills on this list will evolve. Specific tools will change. What will not change is the pattern. Skills that combine AI tool proficiency with genuine domain expertise, analytical judgment, or systems thinking command premium pay. Pure tool proficiency without those foundations does not. Subscribe for the rest of this series covering certifications, business ideas, AI in education, and the honest tool review. Drop a comment, which of these 5 are you working on right now?